Good morning, all. This is Lakshmi Prasanna, English faculty, DAV High School, SDSTPS, Nalatur. In the last class, we were discussing the poem The Kitten at Play by William Wordsworth, which gave a detailed note of the poet's observation about a kitten at play. The poem explained us that the poet observed the kitten playing on the wall with the dry leaves that have fallen from a tree. He also explained about the kitten's actions that are crouches, paws, darts, which made the kitten an efficient hunter when it grows up. He thus explained its jump as a tiger leap for which it tries to meet its coming prey. Also explained that it lets it go as fast as it can and then shows its power. Now, children, let us have a short clipping on how the cat has its prey. I hope, children, now the video has given you a clear understanding why the poet called the kitten as an efficient hunter. Now let us move into our today's lesson where we discuss about the further observations of our poet about the little kitten at its play. Now she started playing with three or four, just like an Indian conjurer does. Children, do you know who a conjurer means? Have you ever found this kind of man? Where do you see him? Yes, you are right. We generally find him in a circus and he is called as a clown who plays his tricks. Now, a juggler is a kind of person who is well talented or skillful in his art. The poet thus finally compares the kitten's play to that of a juggler who shows his skillful art. Hence, he named it as an Indian conjurer. Just like how the conjurer is skillful enough in his play, even our kitten is quite graceful at its play. He thus concluded that he felt delighted at the pleasure the kitten takes in her play and how she is completely unaware of her audience, who were enjoying her graceful play. With a great delightment of her play, the poet thus ends up his observation with a little question to us that what would little Tabby care? The ending line of the poem that tells the attitude of the little kitten not bothered about anyone and totally immersed at its graceful play. Thus, with this poem, the poet conveys an idea that young animals are as playful as young children and their games also serve a purpose. Both give us delightment. Hope you enjoyed the poem. Thank you, children.